with it. Group drop.
Hello guys, we know that when you study linguistics, you might have in your mind some morphology definitions that are not clear. Well, you are going to clarify your doubts here, so keep on watching! We are linguistic students, and we want to explain you in detail what is inflection and derivation in morphology. Sometimes these concepts tend to be confused, or simply, we don't understand them, so let's start!
Okay guys, let's continue talking about inflection. Well, when we talk about inflection, we refer to grammatical change. That means tense, person, number, and case. Well, those four are also called inflectional paradigm.
With my partner's explication, I will show you some examples that showing the grammar change. In the first example, we have the word speak. If we added to this word the letter S, this word is converted to singular third person, present tense. In the second example, we have the word tag. If we add to this word the ed, this word is converted to singular second person, past tense. We have the word cat. This word now is in singular, but if we add to this word the letter S, is converted to plural. The next example, we have the word if. If we add to this word eng, this word is converted to a progressive form. The house of Norma. If this word we converted to Norma's house, also is converted a possessive form. The two last examples, we have the word fast and the word big. If we add to fast er and to the big est, the word fast is converted as relative word and the word big is converted as superlative word.
Okay guys, now in simple words we can say that inflectional morphemes are affixes. That means prefix and suffix. Okay, so those suffixes has grammatical change, but also they don't change the meaning of the word.
Hello everyone, now let's talk about derivation. What is derivation? Derivational morphemes are affixes which are added to a lexeme to change its meaning or function. They are used to make a new different lexeme. For example, the suffix li changes the adjective sat into the verb satly. Derivation can be defined as the converse of inflection. Derivation is a morphological process that results in the formation of a new lexeme. For example, in the verb compete, when we add the suffix ition, we form a noun and it is competition. And when we add the suffix itive, we form an adjective and it is competitive. When we add the suffix itively, we form an adverb and it is competitively. And when we add the suffix eng, we form a noun and it is competing.
We have cases in which we add inflection and derivation morphemes in the same theme. When affixes are added to a base or a theme, there is usually a specific order for adding them. Inflectional suffixes are added last, and once they are added, no more derivational affixes can be added. An example of this is given below for the word deconstruction, showing the order in which the various suffixes are added. First, the derivational prefix d is added to the verb base construct to get the verb deconstruct. The second, derivational suffix ion is added to the verb stem deconstruct to get the noun deconstruction. Lastly, the inflectional plural suffix s is added to the noun to get deconstruct.
Let's remember that derivational morpheme sometimes change category, can change part of speech, often add lexical meaning, produce new lexemes, can range from unproductive to fully productive. Inflectional morphemes never change category, do not change part of speech, adds grammatical meaning, is important to syntax, is usually fully productive. you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt about this topic, you just have to write it down and we are going to answer your question. Make sure give it a big thumbs up. See you next time.